Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And you know what? We had a release and we have these fun cookie stamps that were sent to our Stamp Club and Die Hard Club members, the Cookies to Stamp and the freebie. Wah! I know, right? But as you know, a lot of times when I'm designing, I'll say, ooh, but I want this. Ooh, I want this. Ooh, I need this. Ooh, I need this. And add-on sets are then born. Well, let me tell you, rest assured there are a lot of add-on sets if you like. For example, we have this one. It's called More Cookies to Stamp. We have a couple more sayings. We have, we're a batch made in heaven. Life is what you bake it. Cookie time. Life is short, eat cookies. Then we have a different serving platter. We have a mixer. We have more cookies and a little spatula, which is so cute. Oh, and the little heart and the cute little twigs, because then you could add them on the baking sheet if you, or the serving tray if you wanted. Of course, there are dies that match. Here we go. Now, also, this smaller platter of cookies is perfect for the gnomes to hold or for the smaller critters to hold, because we have the bigger platter of cookies, but I wanted a smaller platter for the other creatures that are a little smaller so they could hold cookies too, right? I mean, right? How fun to have your little critter give cookies to someone. So there's our dies that match, and so great and so awesome. But then I thought, you know what? I need to fold it. I did not want a big, huge cookie fold it, because we already have a cookie dog fold it. No, but you know, a big, because that's pretty much almost a circle. So what I did is I did it a little different. Instead, I made it a milk bottle with a cookie, but I couldn't stop there. Oh, well, and then let's see, this fits in an A2 size envelope because this is tall and skinny, so that wasn't gonna really work. So if you add a cookie, if you play your cards right, it will still fit in an A2 size envelope. Now, I couldn't just stop with one cookie. I wanted 2 different sizes of cookies and I wanted different options. So you have a lot of options on this one. You have sprinkles, you have chocolate chips, you have the little crisscross for the peanut butter cookies, and you have the little word milk to put on your milk bottle. I know, I try to think of everything. Okay, then guess what? I had too many sayings. I had too many sayings in my head. This one is called Sayings for Cookies. And look at this. This one is awesome. This one says, cookies, here today, gone tomorrow. Oh, here today, gone today. You're one smart cookie. Life is short, eat cookies. Bite me, which I kind of like that one. I like to say that one a lot when I'm sarcastic. You are one tough cookie. You're the milk to my cookie. I could give up cookies, but I'm not a quitter. That's me. A balanced diet is a cookie in each hand. Cookies make everything better. Cookies make the world a better place. So you're gonna find lots of reasons to use these stamps, let me tell you. Now, let's dive in to show you all my awesome samples, because as you know, my design team is amazing. Here is an awesome example of the milk bottle, the milk done in white, so you can just see it a little bit. There's a chocolate chip cookie and a peanut butter cookie. You're the milk to my cookie. Here's a cute one. Look how fun this one is. Milk, and it has that cute little, cookie there. And look at this. This is actually, who made this? Cheryl made this. Let's see. Oh, it's a pattern paper pad. Look how cute. So you could add your little list of things to buy on this one. She just die cut a whole bunch of the milk bottle out of copy paper and made it a cute little notepad. Isn't that adorable? Milk. Here's a fun one with our create a scene. Look at that. We're a batch made in heaven. Isn't that fun? I love that. Those create a scenes are very popular. Here's a cute mixer, all pink and ready to go. I wish I had a pink mixer. I want a pink mixer. That would be fun. I don't have one. Okay, but look at how cute this is. It even has a special sneak peek back there, our doily number 3 that's coming soon. Ooh, look at this one. That cow goes perfect with this milk. Milk and cookies. I love that. Here's a cute one with the mixer. Now, a fun thing to do is you could cut the mixer and actually use a brad and have it pop up. I love that idea. Cookie time. Ooh, sweet milk. I used to love pink strawberry milk. It has the little, it's Nestle Quick, but it's the bunny. And when I was a little girl, we used to call it bunny milk because it had a bunny on it. So pink milk was bunny milk. I don't think I really thought bunnies made milk, but who knows, pink milk. But that's what this reminds me of, sweet milk. So very sweet of you. Oh, look how cute this one is. This one is Life is What You Bake It, and it looks 3D because Kristen added an extra layer, so it looks really 3D. Here's a cute one, Milk, and you can open that up, and there's your little card, your little fold-it. Lots of samples, I told you. Now, if I go too fast on any of these samples, don't worry. You can go to our online gallery. All of these items are on there, and you can print them out or favorite them if you want to. Here's a fun one with that gorgeous mixer and those yummy cookies. Here's one. Dear Santa, I believe, leaving milk and cookies for Santa. I love that. Hugs, cookies, and hugs, kisses, and cookies. Look how cute this is. And look, oh, this is a dot. Whoops, sorry, that was stuck together. Look at that. You're the milk to my cookie. I love that. This is a tag. Hugs, kisses, and cookies. Imagine making somebody cookies and making them a tag that is this cute. Wouldn't that be awesome? Here's the sugar cookie one. Look how fun that is. I love those extra little sprinkles. Now, those sprinkles you can also find on that milk. Remember, we have sprinkles on the milk bottle. Oh, here's a cute one. Milk. Oh my gosh, you guys, I told you I had tons. Now here's the little mouse holding cookies. And here's a cute little mixer. I love that mixer. We're gonna have a lot of fun with that mixer. And cookies make everything better. Here's a fun one with the mixer and the little serving tray and the big cookies from the club set. Here's one from the club set and the milk container. Look at that, how fun. Now, also just a note really, really quick, and I think I should show you this. The cookies that are in here are different sizes than the cookie you are getting in the club. So technically you will end up having 3 separate sizes of cookies if you end up getting this milk fold-it, because you're gonna have 3 different sizes of cookies. So that's awesome, especially if you wanted to make banners or anything like that. Michelle also made some cute little milk and cookies, perfect for our home decor trays, right? How cute to stick these in there and have these cute little felt guys in our home decor area. And then I did show this in the other video, but it deserves repeating. Look at how gorgeous this is. Michelle made this. This is like a little trading kit, and she added little extra earrings. She made them using the Shrinky Dinks. So cute, and they have little spoons on them and little beads. So fun. I should be wearing them right now, huh? So fun. Then she also made that bracelet. Where'd the bracelet go? We gotta show the bracelet again. But all these fun, and I really want you guys to consider making some of these fun little embellishments yourself, because here it is just stamped and die cut. And then she included a paper clip. So you can clip it onto your cards if you want, and then the person you give it to can actually use it as a bookmark or a little planner thing or something in their calendar, just something cute, something just extra to add in there. But in this one, she made a gorgeous bracelet using those Shrinky Dink pieces. So cute and so fun. So many different options, right? Card making, yes. Trading kits, yes. Home decor, yes. Jewelry, yes. You know what? It's so versatile and it's so much fun. Club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, you are missing out, especially this year, because all the extra freebies. Go check out the club video to find out more about all those fun freebies. And you know what? Go check out our website and the gallery. All of these ideas are in the gallery. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.